So what I did was I ran all of the tests, and in here, in the trace.write line, I inserted the name of each of the methods so that it's pretty clear how long it took for each element to be identified. So let's see how you did. Which one of these methods would have been the slowest? So if you look at the test explorer, we can see that we have 4 past tests. Okay, and then if we move over each one, we can see the elapsed time. But this is the elapsed time of the test, not actually element identification. So if you look here, 10, 17 seconds, 11, and 10, and we look at this 17-second one, and we go inside of the output, we can see that the time elapsed for element identification was 10 seconds. Okay, and if we go back to our WebDriver wait class, explicit wait 1, this is the one that uses the thread.sleep of 10,000 milliseconds. And therefore, it is the slowest, which makes sense, right? Because all of our other ones, check out this output, 5.3 seconds. Check out this output, 5.2 seconds. And the first one, 5.3 seconds, are almost pretty similar because they are explicit waits that dynamically poll. However, this one is a hard-coded explicit wait that will sleep for 10,000 milliseconds no matter what. Therefore, even though the page is loading faster, it still has to wait for those 10,000 seconds. Therefore, no matter what happens, no matter how fast the application is, this test will always run in a minimum of 17 seconds. It may be, plus or minus a few seconds depending if it's faster, but it will minimally wait for 10,000 milliseconds, and then all the other actions will occur after that. For the other tests, they will obviously happen faster because as soon as the element is located, the test will proceed forward. And so that's why this guy is the slowest, and that's why I strongly recommend that you use explicit waits with expected conditions, like in these cases. And if you find the need to use this constructor, go ahead and use it. But for most of you, probably this constructor will do just fine, and you'll be able to locate your elements using these kinds of statements.